Have you ever got a chance to meet a cadet in NDA or a direct entry cadet in IMA? And if you happen to ask him why did he join army for that matter, and his straightway answer will be, sir, I never thought of anything else in my life. From the day one when I got wise, I always thought of putting on uniform, probably serving the nation in the best possible way. Gentlemen, this is the power of visualization about which we are going to talk today. And if you can use this power of visualization in your life, nobody can stop you in achieving your goal, howsoever difficult it may be.
This is Colonel Virendra Kumar in my own channel, Colonel's Coaching for SSB. Now the question comes, if this is so simple to achieve your goal with the help of positive visualization, how come everybody does not do it? The point is very sincere. But the point is, how many people know it and how many people believe it? We all understand the power of mind, but how many of us really understand how much we can really achieve? Let I discuss with it today and let us go through the concept. The first point is, you achieve what you sincerely desire. So, do you sincerely desire to be an army officer? That is number one. Is there any doubt in your mind? There should not be any doubt in your mind to realize your power of visualization. The third point is, your desire and expectations must be same without any doubt. They should be in alignment. And the last point is, your action and preparation must be in alignment. It will not be simply visualization. You have to do action, you have to do preparation. The point is, once you visualize your goal and your success, you take preparations and actions, bring them into alignment. Nobody can stop you. Because once the goal is in your mind, who can really stop you? All great people who have made it to the higher level of hierarchy use the power of visualization. Each one of them. And I will tell you today how can you use this power of visualization in achieving your goal of clearing SSB to become a successful army officer. Let's go further. Now I am going to tell you the process of visualization. Sit down at a quiet place in your home. Minimize internal chatter. Internal chatter means the way we talk to ourselves in our mind. That chatter must be minimized. Now, what do you desire? You desire to clear your SSB. Now, what exactly happens on the last day after the conference? The JCO comes and then he informs the group, following have been selected, chest number such and such, chest number such and all that. Now visualize that your chest number has been called, chest number 2 or whatever it is has been selected, and that is you. Now what is going to happen? Enjoy that moment. What your peers are going to feel, what you are going to feel at that particular moment. You got it? It is in your hand now. Now do it again and again. And at what time you are going to do it? When you go to sleep, because that is the time when your conscious and subconscious mind, they are together. So what it is going to do, it is going to leave a very strong imprint in your subconscious mind. Now, do you think only power of visualization will be adequate enough to get you through? No. But what it is going to do, I will tell you now. It is going to push you to do your preparation thoroughly. And once you do that along with power of visualization, you will be through. Visualize every step of SSB, success at every step of SSB. Get ready for it, and I give you guarantee the way you visualize, the same thing will happen when you go for SSB. Have no doubt about that. Now, once you are selected, you are going to call up your parents, and what they are going to say, visualize that part. Visualize that part. It is going to be a big help for you. Once you start eating, drinking your success in SSB, who can really stop you? Nobody in this world. All great people who have made it to the higher level of hierarchy or to the leadership positions in the world, they use power of visualization. I have just told you the topmost secret of the world. Go for it. I'm sure you liked my video. Please subscribe it. It is Colonel Virendra Kumar signing off today. Thank you.